How to kick or ban someone in Among Us. What is up, everybody? In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily kick or ban someone from your Among Us lobby. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is go to play and then create a game. So I'm just going to go ahead and create an online game. Tap on create game and then tap on create again. Now tap on confirm. Once you have done that, you can share this code to someone. But if someone joins, if your code has been leaked, or someone has joined without your consent, then you can kick or ban them. As you can see here, someone has joined my lobby using the room code, which is right here. You can tap on it to copy the code. So if you want to kick or ban someone from your lobby, you first have to tap on the chat icon that you see right beside settings menu. Just tap on it. And you have an option to type in your chat here. So what you can do is simply tap on this red button right on the right side, and then you will see the players name that are available on the lobby. And if you want to kick them, tap on kick. If you want to ban them, tap on ban. They won't be able to join again on this lobby until you invite them back again, and then tap on report to report them. So that's how you basically kick or ban someone from your Among Us lobby. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.